Hello students. Today's topic is on about photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae and some bacteria converts light energy, usually from sun, into chemical energy stored in glucose. It involves capturing sunlight through chlorophyll in chloroplast, utilizing carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil to produce glucose and oxygen as byproduct. Here is the equation of here is the equation of photosynthesis, which is carbon dioxide plus water, which is H2O, plus light energy reacts with C6H12O6, which is glucose, plus O2, which is our oxygen. Here are the steps which are followed in the process of photosynthesis are: chlorophylls in chloroplasts absorb sunlight, and then sunlight splits water into oxygen, protons and electrons. After this, electrons from water create a proton gradient, powering ATP and NADPH production. ATP and NADPH are used to convert carbon dioxide into glucose in the Calvin cycle. Glucose and other carbohydrates are synthesized from the product of the Calvin cycles, and then after these steps, oxygen is released into atmosphere as a byproduct of water splitting.